Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in automotive accessories. Today, we have the best BMW X3 Roof Rack for you. Introducing the Tuyoung 220 pounds Lockable Roof Rack Crossbars. If you're looking for a solid, durable, and easy-to-install roof rack that's perfect for your BMW X3 or similar vehicles, you've come to the right place. The Tuyoung Roof Rack is designed to be compatible with vehicles that have flush side rails. Including the BMW X3 from 2018 to 2025, and many other models like the Mazda CX-5, Mercedes-Benz GLC, and Volvo XC60. This product is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring strength and durability while keeping the weight light. Whether you need to carry a kayak, snowboard, ladder, or luggage, this roof rack can handle it all, with a load capacity of up to 220 pounds. The best part is the anti-theft design. The crossbars feature a high-strength metal lock core, preventing any unauthorized removal. This added security is a huge plus for anyone who needs peace of mind when traveling with valuable equipment on the roof. The rack also includes tie-down loops on each bracket, giving you even more options to secure your cargo safely. Installation is a breeze with clear instructions and an included video to guide you through the process. You don't need to be an expert to get these crossbars set up. The design is low profile and streamlined, which not only adds to the aesthetic of your vehicle but also reduces wind noise, making your drive quieter even at high speeds. The Tuyoung Roof Rack is designed with longevity in mind. The aluminum bars are rust-resistant, and the plastic base feet are molded for added durability. It's the perfect solution for anyone who needs reliable cargo storage without compromising on style or performance. With a no-hassle 12-month warranty, you can drive with confidence knowing that the Tuyoung Roof Rack has your back. Whether you're planning a road trip or need to carry extra gear for your weekend adventures, this roof rack is your go-to solution. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Happy driving, and safe travels!